Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to see how to launch and terminate Windows Server 2019 instances in AWS. I have already logged into AWS console and my default region is US East 1. So under AWS services, select EC2. Here, click on Launch Instance. Select Launch Instance. Search for 2019. So select Windows Server 2019 base. Right, if you have any specific requirements related to SQL Server or any other things, choose the right instance for you. In this case, we are choosing Windows Server 2019 base image. This particular AMI we are choosing. So here, based on your workload, choose the instance type. AWS provides different instance types. You can refer here. So some of the instances are optimized for compute, memory, storage, and there are other specific instance features. So based on the requirement, choose the instance type. For this purpose, for the purpose of this demo, I am choosing T2 Micro. Under configuration instance detail, there are different settings that you can modify. So I am choosing one instance, and if you want to have a Spot instance, you can choose this one. Network, I am choosing a default VPC and the subnet that is available. And capacity reservation, I'm just selecting the open, right? And if you have any specific access controls that are required, choose the IAM roles appropriately. And shutdown behavior, you can choose whether to stop or terminate the instance. And terminate, enable terminate protection. This will help in protecting against accidental termination, right? So I am leaving all the remaining configurations as is. Then go to storage. So I am okay with the storage of 30 GB. And just the next step is to add the tags. So always add tags to your instances. In fact, for any resource, add the tags. So we are saying add the tags to the corresponding volumes also, so that it will be easy to search the volumes also using the tags. Right? You add as many number of tags until 50 tags are allowed. So use of them. They are really helpful. Security groups. So okay, we choose the security group that are required. RDP is required to take the remote desktop. Okay, for now I am choosing source as decider, but you should never ever choose this, right? It will allow the access to the instance to everyone in the world. So you should never use this. The reason for choosing this one now is I'm going to terminate the instance post the demo. So I am doing this. Otherwise, you should never be doing this unless there is a requirement. So finally, we say review and launch. So we will finally see one last time, right? Then say launch. So I want to create a new key pair. I'll say test demo key pair. and ensure that you download this one, right? And you should never be losing this particular PEM file that is being downloaded. So once you lose, you cannot get it back. So ensure that you are saving this in a safe place. You say launch the instance. So instance creation would take some time. Okay, we will see here. So right now the state is pending. Instance creation would take some time. We will wait until the instance is created. Okay, the health checks are happening now. Okay, health checks are now complete. Let us try to log into this mission. So in the first thing would be getting the password. So click on get password, right? We need to browse for this particular file, test PEM file that we created. So decrypt the password. So this is the password for logging into the EC2 instance. So copy the public DNS, open the remote desktop application, paste the IP address, right? And username is administrator. Copy the password, enter the password. Okay, select S. We are successfully able to log into the mission. I am now closing the remote session. Now let us see how to terminate the instances. Go to services, select EC2 service. Here click on the running instances. You will see the mission that we have created just now. Go to instance state and select terminate instance. Click on terminate. And after some time, you will see the instance state change to terminated. Okay, in this demo, we have seen how to create Windows Server 2019 instance and how to terminate in AWS. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.